Hey everybody, it's Shelley with a LinkedIn tip for you. We're going to talk about the new hashtag communities on LinkedIn. I don't have this yet, but I thought I would show you as much as I can so you can start thinking about how you might use hashtags to grow your business as well as become an authority on a topic. So where you'll find this is on your home page. On the left-hand side, you'll see your communities. I don't have this. If you do have it, that's what you'll see. You'll see a little pencil next to it. And what you're going to do is you can click on any of the communities they have, and they basically base it off of any of your history on LinkedIn. So they're going to make up some communities, which is interesting in itself. And you can pin them to the top by going in and clicking the pin. You'll see pinhead right there. Also, any hashtags that you follow will show up and you want to pin them to the top. And lastly, you can go discover hashtags by clicking on the discover more. Now, when you pin hashtags of interest, it allows you to click on them and head over and see who's using them, who's talking about it. So they start to become more important and they really help to us to engage. So if you're, in my case, social media, hashtag social media, I might jump in on a conversation, engage with those talking about that hashtag. You probably want to add no more than 3 or 4 relevant hashtags to your posts so that you show up when someone's searching for that hashtag. And people are going to be able to find those posts and in those communities and engage with you. So I might have hashtag Springboard Social Media and hashtag Springboard Shelley after some of my posts, but then in addition, the subject matter could be, in this case, hashtag Professional Women. I just want to point out that hashtag because I used somebody else's page to show you this. So hashtag Professional Women is pinned. When I do go to click on that, it opens up and it shows me how many people are following that hashtag, as well as it'll show me how many people are talking about that hashtag, so I can jump into the conversation and start contributing. So be thinking about hashtags you want to use, hashtags you want to follow and pin, because that's going to help you with your LinkedIn strategy out there. So let me take you over. I'm going to show you again. I don't have this, but here's an example from Vengresso. Their post right here, they have hashtag inbound, they have hashtag LinkedIn expert, scrolling down, hashtag millennials, all these things they're putting in there. If you click on the hashtag or the hashtag as part of your post, it'll show you everything that has the hashtag that's being talked about on LinkedIn, so you can go in and jump in on that conversation. So here you see hashtag millennials and some other hashtags. Just brings up, it's a way to search and bring up a subject matter that you want to get involved with and talk about and respond to. So you can see they hashtagged 2 hashtags on that one. So just be aware of this. I don't have it yet. Hopefully you'll be seeing it soon. If you want to learn more about LinkedIn, let me show you how to get to my ShelleyRoth.com page right there. When you go there, just click on the events at Shelley Roth with an EY, and you'll see LinkedIn is coming up. Next LinkedIn is August 2nd. So hopefully I'll see if that class, it is in Houston. It is a classroom setting and it's a lunch and learn. Also Facebook coming up. So have a great weekend and we'll see you next time.